Hello dear friends, I'm Madalena and today we are making my favorite strawberry cake. I like this cake because it's soft and moist. It will melt into your mouth. So let's get started. Pour 100 grams of sugar into a bowl, break 3 eggs and mix them with a mixer. I use a single mixer pedal so I don't make eggs all over the place. Pour 110 milliliters of oil, add 200 milliliters of buttermilk and mix again. Now activate 5 grams of sodium bicarbonate with 5 milliliters of vinegar. Mix with a spatula to dissolve completely and we pour this mix into the composition. Now we put it aside and deal with the dry ingredient. Add 5 grams of cocoa on top of the flour and 5 grams of baking powder. Mix it well with a spoon. Add a tablespoon of red food coloring over the form composition. We will get a dark pink dough and the cocoa will give a slightly chocolatey taste. We continue by sifting the dry ingredients that we have prepared and mix with a spatula. We will observe how the cocoa will intensify the red color. To make sure that everything is incorporated, we use the mixer for a minute. The composition is ready. You get a more fluid composition that grow very nicely at the end. Look how beautiful are the bubbles that are obtained after activating the sodium bicarbonate. This bubble will help the cake to rise and we will get a cake like a sponge. Pour the mixture into a 17 cm pan lined with baking paper and put the batter in the oven preheated at 160 degrees Celsius using the ventilation function from 45 to 15 minutes or until it passed the toothpick test. Now let's take care of the strawberry sauce. Cut 400 grams of strawberries and put them into a pot. Squeeze a little lemon juice and pour over the strawberries. Add 75 grams of sugar and a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix very well to incorporate the cornstarch. Boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes in order to not change their color. Let the sauce cool because we will use it later. When the cake is ready, let it cool on a kitchen grill and then cut it into slices. It's so fluffy and moist and it smells so good of vanilla. 5 pieces came out of this cake top. Look how beautiful the cake grows. I'm super happy with the result. We are halfway through our journey to bake this incredible strawberry cake. If you enjoy the process, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Sabrissimo for more fantastic recipes like this one. Now we put them aside and prepare to make the cream. For the cream, we need 400 grams of cream cheese, 500 milliliters of sweetened vegetable whipped cream, 100 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix the composition with the help of a mixer for about 4 to 5 minutes. The obtained cream is dense. It has a light lemon taste with a pleasant vanilla flavor. The cream cheese made the cream so fluffy and slightly sour. A perfect combination, I can say. Now we will put a quarter of this cream into a piping bag to decorate more easily. Also put a few spoons of cream in a bowl and we will color it in pink with a red food coloring. In another bowl we will make a darker pink cream. We have arrived at the long-awaited moment, the assembly of the cake. Place a layer of cream over the first slice of cake with the help of a spatula and then we make an outer ring from the cream. Inside we put the strawberry sauce that has cooled down and the smell of strawberry sauce, it's so incredible. We will do the same with each cake layer. The layers are ready and they are looking really great. Now we can start making the final design. But first we make sure that the cake is straight so that it doesn't look like the Tower of Pisa. Okay, we put a layer of cream and we spread it with a spatula. Give the excess to the side. Now put the cream on the side of the cake and spread it. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We level everything at the end. Place the spatula on the side of the cake and turn. Be careful not to press too hard to get the naked cake look. I use a pastry knife with which I remove partially the cream until you slightly see the cake layers. Also, level the top of the cake to remove the excess. The cake is exactly how I wanted it. Now put the dark pink cream on the side and alternate with the lighter pink cream. Pull with the spatula and get a gorgeous gradient effect. If you want more vibrating color, you can add more food coloring. For a beautiful effect of color, the spatula must be clean every time. Level quickly with the help of a spatula. At the top, we smear a little cream to get those effects. We decorated the cake with few pieces of pomegranate and strawberries. And our cake is ready. It looks absolutely incredible. Let's cut a slice to see how it turned out. The cake look gorgeous inside with pink layers on top with white cream and strawberry insert. My mouth is watering. I cannot wait to taste it. The flavor of strawberries. The layers are moist, the cream is smooth, and the strawberry pieces give it an extraordinary taste. Now I will enjoy this slice. You must try it. It is magnificent. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out what we have prepared for you next. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestion on this recipe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!